Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over our Bo Kata, Shushi-no-Kon-Sho. In this tutorial, we'll be working with the third merit of a good pattern, which is focus. Now what this means is that I look at what I'm doing, I look where I'm going. As I work with the bow, if I am striking high with it this way, ucho tosh, the overhead strike, I look where that strike is going. I'm not looking off to the side, down at the floor, up at the ceiling. I'm looking exactly where that strike is going to go, right out here, head high. I'm picking out my target with my eyes. With the bow, that is particularly important because our focus shifts pretty quickly. I can be striking with one end and then moving in to strike with the other, and then striking again. I can be down low and then up much higher. We can use the ends of the bow on occasion. We may be using the center of the bow as well. So I want to be sure that my focus is going where I am doing business with the bow. Also, I want to look where I'm going. When I change directions, I want to look first and then let my body move in behind my eyes. But I want to lead with my eyes. I want to see where I'm going before I move in that direction. So to help with this, as we go through Shushi-no-Kon-Sho, working on focus, when we are changing directions, I'm going to say, look. We'll turn our heads, and then we'll start moving in the new direction. But we will turn our heads, shift our eyes. We'll look first. Let our eyes lead us. And then the rest of us follows in behind. Let's take this together. Shushi-no-Kon-Sho. My count, working with the third merit of a good pattern, which is focus. One, two, three. Look. One, two, three. Look. One, two, three. Look. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look. 8. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is Shushi-no-Kon-Sho, working with the third merit of a good pattern, focus. Look at what you're doing, look where you're going.